Is your ThinkPad docking station stubbornly refusing to output sound? Let's troubleshoot. The most common culprit is software. Ensure your ThinkPad's BIOS, audio drivers like Realtek or Connexent, and the docking station's firmware are all up to date. Use the Lenovo Vantage app. It now features AI-assisted diagnostics to automatically detect and resolve audio driver conflicts. Also check the Windows Sound Control panel to ensure the correct output device, such as dock speakers, HDMI, or DisplayPort, is selected and not muted. Basic steps include restarting your system and testing with external speakers or headphones plugged directly into the laptop to isolate the problem. Cable integrity is key. Make sure you are using a high-quality cable that is not damaged. If using HDMI or DisplayPort, check for codec mismatches. If Bluetooth pass-through is the problem, make sure that Bluetooth on your computer is up to date. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, try advanced fixes like reinstalling audio drivers through Device Manager. You can also access BIOS settings to disable and re-enable audio devices, which often resolves driver conflicts. A common hardware issue is port-specific flaws on the dock. Try switching to different USB-C ports to bypass any faulty connections. Looking ahead, Lenovo is investing in AI-driven tools that automatically detect and fix audio issues. By 2027, USB 4.0 integration will enable lossless audio over longer cables. If issues persist, consult Lenovo's official support resources or community forums for workarounds. Lenovo continually improves audio reliability through updates and research.